Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. So I'm going to try to answer a couple of questions off my YouTube videos. And if I don't answer you off one of my videos, I answer a lot and I don't ever get replies. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. And I ask people to email me and they never do. Somebody said the other day or yesterday that I use the history window or Docker quite a bit. So go to Windows, Docker, and down to History. And it opens up this history Docker of everything I've done lately. And it's a lot more intense in just your undo. And I don't have any other Corels left on this computer except for 2022. But go to Windows, Dockers, and in this general area will be Undo Manager. It's the same thing. I don't really know when it started. The person that was asking it said they had 2021. Well, I've got 2022, which Corel no longer numbers it up here. So try that. And then somebody else said that they're missing their pen tool on their left-hand side. Well, I don't ever have mine on because I never use it, but just go right here to the plus sign, go down to your pen tool, outline tools, and click the box. And now there's your pen tool. I hope that answered both those questions. And this is an upcoming video that's going to be pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.